Engine Oil Flush Service. WIN's Engine Flush Service utilizes the WIN Supreme Engine Cleaning System machine and WIN Supreme Engine Cleaning System Service Kit and provides the ultimate engine oil change service. To begin the service, open the vehicle's hood and locate the oil filter of the vehicle being serviced. This may require accessing the underside of the vehicle. Install fender covers to the vehicle as appropriate. Always check the dipstick before beginning this service to note the condition and fill level of the used oil. Place an appropriate used oil receptacle in place and remove the oil filter. Using the oil filter application guide included with the operating manual, select and assemble the appropriate oil filter adapter that is included with the machine. This includes selecting the correct center insert and filter adapter and attaching them together securely. The oil filter adapter should be attached hand-tight. Attach the red service hose from the machine to the center port on the oil filter adapter and the black service hose to the side port on the oil filter adapter. These are both quick connect fittings. Remove the oil filter bowl from the back of the machine and properly dispose of the old filter and oil. Then install a new filter and reattach the oil filter bowl to the machine securely. Pour the entire quart container of WIN's internal engine cleaner into the small fill sink on the front of the machine. Connect the positive red 12-volt DC power cable from the machine to the positive terminal on the vehicle's battery. Connect the negative black cable to a chassis ground in the engine compartment. Turn on the power switch on the machine until the WIN's internal engine cleaner in the fill sink reservoir empties completely into the filter bowl on the back of the machine. Then turn the power switch off. The internal engine cleaning portion of this service is now ready to start. Lower the vehicle if it is on a lift so the engine can be easily started. Verify that there is oil pressure showing on the oil pressure gauge, and there is oil flow in the flow indicator, and that there are no leaks from the filter bowl on the machine or the oil filter adapter or service hose connections. Run the engine for between 10 and 20 minutes to allow the WIN's internal engine cleaner to circulate thoroughly through the engine to safely dissolve sludge and varnish deposits and suspend them in the circulating oil. When the cleaning process is complete, turn off the vehicle's engine. Raise the vehicle if necessary. Remove the oil drain plug and drain the used oil into a suitable waste container. When the gravity oil drain is complete, turn on the machine's power switch for at least 60 seconds to flush out additional used oil from the engine's oil system passages. The amount of additional oil drained by this process is significant and can represent as much as 20% of the engine's oil capacity, which is used oil that would have remained in the engine with a normal oil change, to immediately contaminate the new oil and shorten its service life. When the oil drain is complete, install the oil drain plug, remove the oil filter adapter, and install a new oil filter. Add WIN Supreme Plus oil supplement to the engine to supplement the performance of the new oil and help keep it newer, longer. Fill the engine with new oil per the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Finish the service by checking the oil level on the dipstick, adjusting it if necessary, starting the engine, and checking for leaks. Note the cleanliness of the new oil because of a minimum of contamination with residual used oil as a result of this service. This completes the WIN Supreme Engine Cleaning Service, a clear step above a normal oil change.